Plant-based protein sources. Welcome to Healthy Nutrition, where we explore the wonderful world of plant-based protein sources. In this video, we'll uncover the benefits of incorporating plant-based proteins into your diet, discover the top 5 plant-based protein sources for muscle building, and delve into the variety of options available. Plus, we'll discuss the environmental impact of choosing plant-based proteins and share some delicious recipes for you to try today. Stay tuned to the end for all the valuable information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more content like this in the future. Let's get started. Benefits of incorporating plant-based proteins in your diet. Plant-based proteins offer an array of health benefits beyond just supporting muscle growth and maintenance. Incorporating sources like legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains into your diet can provide essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients play key roles in reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and enhancing overall immune function. Studies have also shown that plant-based diets rich in protein can help lower the risks of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Moreover, choosing plant-based protein sources over animal sources can have positive effects on the environment. Producing plant-based proteins generally requires fewer resources like water and land compared to animal agriculture. By shifting towards more plant-based options, individuals can contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and preserving natural habitats. Embracing a diet centered on plant proteins can align with principles of sustainability and be seen as a more eco-conscious choice in support of a healthier planet for future generations. Another advantage of plant-based proteins is their versatility in culinary applications. With an expanding market offering plant-based meat alternatives, dairy substitutes, and protein-rich ingredients, individuals can enjoy a wide variety of plant proteins in their meals. This diversity not only enhances flavor profiles but also broadens nutrient intake. Embracing plant-based proteins can inspire creativity in the kitchen, encouraging exploration of new recipes and food combinations that contribute to a well-rounded and satisfying diet. Top 5 plant-based protein sources for muscle building. When it comes to building and maintaining muscle mass, certain plant-based protein sources stand out for their exceptional nutritional profile. Legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and black beans are rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals such as iron and magnesium. These legumes not only provide the building blocks for muscle growth but also support energy production and recovery. Incorporating a variety of legumes into your diet can help ensure a well-rounded intake of essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and synthesis. Nuts and seeds are another excellent plant-based protein source that can aid in muscle building. Almonds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are examples of nutrient-dense options packed with protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients like vitamin E and zinc. Including these nuts and seeds in meals or snacks can offer a convenient way to boost protein intake and promote satiety. Additionally, the healthy fats found in nuts and seeds can support joint health and inflammation regulation, further enhancing overall recovery and performance. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats are valuable additions to a plant-based muscle-building diet. These grains offer a combination of protein, complex carbohydrates, and fiber that can sustain energy levels and support muscle glycogen replenishment post-workout. The fiber content in whole grains also aids in digestion and nutrient absorption, optimizing the body's utilization of protein for muscle repair and growth. By incorporating whole grains into meals, individuals can benefit from a balanced macronutrient profile that fuels workouts and supports muscle recovery. Exploring the variety of plant-based protein options available. Diving into the world of plant-based protein options reveals a diverse array of sources that cater to different tastes, preferences, and nutritional needs. One fascinating fact is the wide range of fruits that offer surprising protein content. Fruits like guava, avocados, and bananas contain notable amounts of protein, along with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Adding these protein-rich fruits to smoothies, salads, or snacks can contribute to overall protein intake while infusing meals with flavor and variety. Exploring the realm of plant-based protein also unveils the versatility and nutrient density of soy products. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are all derived from soybeans and provide complete proteins along with beneficial phytonutrients like isoflavones. Incorporating soy-based products into the diet can offer a plant-based alternative to animal proteins, supporting muscle growth, bone health, and hormonal balance. The adaptability of soy products in various cuisines allows for diverse culinary creations that are both nutritious and satisfying. Naturally, seeds emerge as a powerhouse of plant-based protein, offering an abundance of nutrients in small but mighty packages. Chia seeds, hemp seeds, and flax seeds are examples of seeds rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. These seeds can be sprinkled on top of salads, yogurt, or oatmeal to boost protein content and provide essential fats for overall health. Their nutrient profile makes seeds an ideal addition to a balanced plant-based diet, promoting satiety, heart health, and cellular function. The environmental impact of choosing plant-based proteins. Delving into the environmental implications of opting for plant-based proteins sheds light on the significant benefits for sustainability and ecosystem preservation. A notable fact is that plant-based protein production generally requires fewer natural resources compared to animal agriculture. Growing plants for protein generates lower greenhouse gas emissions, conserves water, and reduces land use, making it a more environmentally friendly choice. By selecting plant-based protein sources over animal-based ones, individuals can contribute to mitigating climate change and promoting resource efficiency. Another aspect to consider is the impact of deforestation on the environment, particularly in regions where land is cleared for livestock farming. The conversion of forests into pastureland or cropland for animal feed contributes to biodiversity loss, habitat destruction, and carbon release. Opting for plant-based proteins reduces the demand for agricultural land expansion, helping to preserve vital ecosystems and protect endangered species. This shift towards plant-centric diets aligns with conservation efforts aimed at safeguarding global biodiversity and combating deforestation. Furthermore, the reduction of pollution associated with plant-based protein production underscores its role in promoting environmental health. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to water pollution through the discharge of manure, antibiotics, and chemicals into water bodies. By favoring plant-focused protein sources, individuals can support cleaner waterways, minimize pollution, and safeguard aquatic ecosystems. The environmental benefits of choosing plant-based proteins extend beyond personal health to encompass the well-being of the planet, fostering a more sustainable and ecologically conscious food system. Delicious plant-based protein recipes to try today. Exploring the realm of plant-based protein recipes opens up a world of culinary creativity, offering an array of delicious and nutrient-rich options to tantalize taste buds. From hearty lentil stews to protein-packed chickpea salads, plant-based cuisine encompasses a diverse range of flavors and textures that cater to various dietary preferences and culinary adventures. The versatility of plant-based proteins allows for the creation of savory dishes that are not only satisfying but also nourishing, making them ideal for individuals seeking to elevate their meals with wholesome ingredients. A noteworthy aspect of delving into plant-based protein recipes is the opportunity to experiment with globally inspired dishes that showcase a myriad of spices, herbs, and cooking techniques. Whether preparing a protein-rich quinoa bowl with fresh vegetables or crafting plant-based protein burgers infused with aromatic seasonings, plant-centric cooking opens doors to a vibrant tapestry of flavors and cultural influences. The fusion of culinary traditions and plant-powered ingredients fosters a dynamic and enriching gastronomic experience that celebrates the diversity of plant-based cuisine. Moreover, embracing plant-based protein recipes can introduce individuals to innovative cooking methods and ingredient combinations that transcend conventional culinary practices. By incorporating plant-based proteins such as tofu, tempeh, and legumes into everyday meals, individuals can revolutionize their approach to cooking and discover new avenues for creating wholesome and delectable dishes. Exploring plant-based protein recipes not only promotes a more sustainable and compassionate food ethos but also inspires culinary exploration and creativity in the kitchen, empowering individuals to savor the delights of a plant-powered diet. Plant-based protein sources. Thank you for watching. Dive deeper into the world of plant-based proteins and discover more exciting recipes and tips on our channel, Healthy Nutrition. Subscribe now for regular updates and hit the like button to support our mission of promoting a healthier lifestyle through plant-based nutrition. Join us on this journey to better health and well-being.